Their ERP includes several reports, tracing functions, and different tools out of the box that'll help whoever is really responsible for doing the reporting. Hey everyone, Michael Intravartolo here from Solution Systems, and today I want to talk a little bit about reporting with ERP software. We all know that reporting with an ERP software is not and will most likely never be simple enough. That doesn't mean that it's not or can't be good enough. Most popular ERP softwares currently have robust financial reporting capabilities that are really going to allow you to create, maintain, deploy, and view reports. So, is there a difference between reporting capabilities between popular ERP softwares? Absolutely. A company like Microsoft, for instance, takes basic reporting capabilities a step further when it comes to financial reports and analytics because their ERP includes several reports, tracing functions, and different tools out of the box that'll help whoever is really responsible for doing the reporting. You know, this could be an auditor, controller, or whoever. Some of these key reports are trial balance by period, trial balance in comparison to a budget, detailed trial balance in comparison to previous year's figures, and account schedule. Microsoft also takes reporting another step further with their most popular ERP software, Business Central, because its financial reporting includes support for dimensions. Dimensions, in my opinion, are the biggest differentiator between an ERP like Business Central and its competitors. Right about now, if you're unfamiliar with Business Central, you're probably wondering what dimensions are. No problem, I have you covered. Click this link right here, and in under 2 minutes, you'll have a better understanding of what this magical reporting tool does. But wait, there's more. Microsoft doesn't stop at dimensions when it comes to having robust reporting capabilities. They even have their own software called Power BI that integrates with Business Central. Power BI retrieves Business Central data, allowing you to build dashboards and reports based on the data that can be viewed. The data can be viewed directly in Business Central through dashboards in the Power BI app or on a website. What's great about Power BI is that it provides a flexible alternative to reports built in Business Central, which allows you to drill down and customize the visualization and even merge data from different companies in Business Central. Check out this video to see how easy it is to create a custom Power BI report with Business Central.